This band of cloud here is a cold front, made things colder, pushed the warm air out to Belgium. As you can see, much of the UK is enjoying some lovely early spring sunshine. It's not as warm as yesterday for most, but it is sunnier for many. Now, admittedly, there is cloud coming through Lancashire, the South Lakes and a bit of Yorkshire. And that's disappointing if you had that yesterday. But for most of us, that's not the case. And for Scotland and Northern Ireland, though there's a westerly breeze, it's still 10 to 12 degrees. There are fewer showers than yesterday, and there is more sunshine. Bit of a disappointment for Snowdonia, though. This cloud is lingering, bringing outbreaks of lightish rain through mid-Wales this afternoon and cloudy up in Cardiff. But the picture yesterday in Cornwall and Devon was disappointingly grey. Well, that's gone. It's been a lovely morning. It'll be a lovely afternoon. Lightish breeze, which is the case throughout all of southern England, and 15 or 14 degrees rather than 16 to 19, as was the case yesterday. Now, the nights are still quite long, of course, and the cloud is still quite thin, so we do easily get cold at night, and there will be a fairly widespread, if lightish, frost, and the white coming up here is outbreaks, patches of mist and fog. Now, they could be telling tomorrow morning. It'll be a different sort of morning. Yes, admittedly, it will be cold to start with, but the frost isn't the big thing, really. It'll just be in and out. And the sun should be out for the southeast corner of England. But the fingers of grey, or brown coming across here, are fog that's lifting and giving you a low grey ceiling. Could be a disappointing morning, and that's true for much of England. Not so for Scotland. The breeze is stronger here, the cloud thicker. Rain, it seems likely for the Western Isles, maybe the Northern Highlands too. Possibly a grey start in Northern Ireland, but I don't think it's too bad here. But you come down to Wales, and I might include Cheltenham here as well, and the greyness could be rather pervasive. There's not much of a breeze to move it. Temperatures are lowish, and they could, of course, have dipped down briefly to frost levels, even in the southwest of England. Nevertheless, with the March sun, many places will see the sunshine tomorrow. Not all, but many. And if that's the case, then again we'll see 12 or 13 degrees. I'm hoping that for the Queen Mother's Chase, the skies will be blue. But they may not be at Cheltenham tomorrow. Anyway, there's the general picture. 13 to 15, fairly typical, reasonable day, except for the far north of Scotland. A bit of a change on Thursday. The isobars are closer. That cold front means the Atlantic's pushing rain in once more. The isobars being closer means a fairly windy day. So for Scotland and Northern Ireland, then Northern England, a breeze, still mild, but with rain.